Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the latest iOS 18.4 Beta 3 release notes. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you're going to want to stick around. First up, let's talk about Ad Attribution Kit. This update brings overlapping conversions for multiple simultaneous re-engagements. Basically, it means advertisers can track multiple re-engagements at the same time using a conversion tag. Plus, you can now test advertised apps directly in iOS settings under Developer. Ad attribution testing, no need for a separate publisher app anymore. Next, Apple Intelligence has had some critical fixes. If you've been frustrated with non-English language support, you'll be happy to hear that Siri is now a must-have for those features. They've also ironed out issues where some features might not be available post-restoration or until after a device reboot. For developers using libxml2, heads up, the custom allocation API is deprecated. Now it's all about using the system allocator like malloc and reallot. Nearby interaction just got cooler. Apps can now use ultra-wideband for background ranging when they start a live activity. Imagine your app continuing to track nearby devices even when it's not active. Notifications have also been polished. They fixed that annoying flicker or collapse issue when scrolling through notifications. Siri is now more reliable in non-English languages. Completion failures for some suggestions are a thing of the past. On to StoreKit, exciting news here with new APIs for Advanced Commerce API in-app purchases. There's a bunch of new properties like App Transaction ID and Original Platform, and some changes combining watchOS with iOS in the App Store.Platform API. Just note, if is eligible for Intro Offer 4 is giving you trouble, make sure the user is signed in. Swift UI enthusiasts, listen up. The Tint SARS modifier now correctly overrides button tint colors in dialogues and alerts. Default visibility hidden works as it should for customizable toolbar items, and the unnecessary at sendable requirement for .on preference change is gone. New system call APIs, fileport_makeport2 and fileport_makefd2 now have their own documentation. UI Writing Tools Coordinator has had multiple delegate method fixes and better asynchronous support. If you're using URL session, there's a new HTTP loading mode. Set uses classic loading mode to false on URL session configuration to try it out. This will be the default in future releases. Lastly, Wi-Fi calling issues for US cellular customers are resolved, and errors with writing tools when replacing generated content are also fixed. So there you have it, the highlights of iOS 18.4 Beta 3. Exciting stuff for developers and users alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.